welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add teams inside of Roblox Studio. So I'll show you two teams, no, maybe I'll show you four teams. So I'll also show you how to make two teams and also four teams. So I'll also show you how to make different spawns so that you can change. If you don't like a red, you can change to blue team, and if you don't like blue, you can change to red team. So let's start. So first off, what you want to do is just click on view and open up properties and explorer, which has these two. Then what you have to do is click on model and then go over to the extreme right, and you should see this thing called service. Click on service, and then you should see this thing called team. Insert it inside of your game. So as you can see, it's a classic base plate. I didn't even touch it till now. So click on the teams folder and then click on the plus icon and add a team. So since we are going to have two teams for now, which are red and blue, so we'll have two teams. So click on the first football icon and rename it as red and press enter, and then change the team color to really red. And now click on the another team and type in blue, and then change this blue to really to change it to really blue. So these are a bright colors, so these would help people notice that the spawn location is a red or it's a blue or something like that. So now in your explorer, click on the workspace plus icon and then add in a spawn location, and right click on the spawn location and press duplicate. So we have two spawn location right now. So just because my move tools don't work, I'm going to use this plugin. So you just move it right here, delete the decal. We don't need the decal, so just delete that and press enter and then delete. So we have deleted the decal, so we don't need the decal because it's going to be pitch blue. So what you want to do is change the color to blue. Wait, yeah, I think this is really blue. Okay, so yeah, it's really blue. And then change the other spawn point, which is this one, and change its color to this red. I think this one. So now this is crimson, so change it to really red, and yeah, change it to really blue. So now we have two spawn points, one blue and one red point. So now what you want to do is just click on the red spawn point, which is our first spawn point, and go down all the way to teams. Now uncheck the neutral and click on allow team change, and change this color, team color, to really red. This is the most important step. It doesn't matter if you don't color the checkpoints and don't allow team change, but it is really important if you want to click change the team color. So now take in case that you're using purple teams, so just think that it's purple team. Then what you have to learn is that you should have the same color in the teams folder. So you should have the same color with both the spawns. So in the spawn you should see this thing called team, and there should be the color and the team's color, they both should match. So now let's just change this to really blue, allow touch interest, and now let's test it. So yeah guys, so now as you can see, I'm currently spawned inside of the game, but I'm currently on red team. So remember the touch interest I told you? Now I'm on blue team. So what happens is, if you touch these spawn points, you get a change to their color. So this can be a really nice method to make in games such as laser tags and stuff like that. So So yeah, this is how you make two teams. So making four teams is also just like that. I'll just show you quickly that. So guys, now I made the four spawns. So just in case if you're wondering what color I use for the green and yellow spawn, so it's lime green for the green spawn and new yellow for the yellow spawn. So I did all the steps that I used to make these two red and blue teams. So now we are going to test it if it actually works with four teams. So of course it should. So now we are spawned inside as the red team. So now if you click on blue, you'll get blue, yellow and green. So now it works. So now just taking case that if you're making some other game, like if you want like let's say like if you're playing police versus criminals and police versus and stuff like that, you want to change them to police and prisoner and stuff like that. So now we have it named as a red and blue. So now what you want to do is wait, yeah. So now you see no wait, come over to the red thing, and now just taking case that red is criminal, and then change the blue to police. So now we can also again test it so that if it works. So you just have to change the name inside this teams folder, and then you should be good to go. So guys, I spawned in, and as you can see, if just taking case I spawned in green team. So now as soon as I touch this spawn, I turn into criminal, and now I'm police. So now as you can see, just a quick run through. So yeah, all of them work. So if you want, you can also change the places and stuff like that. So I'll also make another video on how to make a game pass. So this will be a VIP game pass. So only if they have the game pass, they can come inside of the specific room or pass through a specific door. So that's it for today guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.